Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and happy Thanksgiving to all. Woo-hoo. So, as per my Instagram post, I had mentioned to you guys that I wanted to start a new segment on my channel called I'm a Gel Kind of Gal. And it's essentially me using all of the natural hair gels in the market. So, I am first starting off with the Eco Styler gels. The Eco Styler gel in this video is the Eco Styler Wave and Curl, which is the one that comes in the pink container. So if you guys are interested in watching me do a quick wash and go using that gel, then stick around. So I am starting off by prepping my hair using the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Deep Treatment, diluted in some water, and I'm just going to spray that onto the section that I start with, of course. And this is just to kind of moisten or dampen my hair as I go, and also to provide slip to the gel for application. So I'm just going to spray that onto the first section. Spray it thoroughly to make sure it's all damp and moist. Next, I'm just going to dab my finger into that product and apply that to the first section in a raking motion. It's crazy how long my hair has gotten. I don't know if anyone else feels like this, but the longer my hair gets, the lazier I get with it. I barely do wash and goes. Like, I do a lot more protective styles. But I don't know, like wash days and wash and goes, like they last so long for me. It takes too long and I really just get discouraged. I don't want to do them anymore. I also thought about cutting my hair like maybe December, like beginning of December or maybe January. But I don't know, I want to grow it out just a little bit longer and then like do a nice thorough cut. Because I do have some like terrible ends that I gotta get rid of. But, yeah, so when I do decide to cut it, I will definitely post an updated video. I also want to work on a full hair routine where I elaborate more on how I grew my hair out long and healthy, and basically all of the steps that I take during wash, during styling, during maintenance, like just everything, so I can tell you guys what it is that I do to grow out my hair long and healthy. I've had some people ask me in the comments like, wow, like your hair has gotten so long, like what is it that you do? And to be honest, I don't do anything special. Like everything that I've mentioned in my previous videos, like as far as maintenance, wash and stuff, everything stays the same. But if you guys want to see a video, then I will definitely do it. Alright guys, so just a quick review on the product as far as application. A few things that I like about the product so far is the slip that it provides and how easy it is to rake the product into my hair. When I use the Eco Styler Gold Gel and I applied that or I rake that product into my hair, I noticed that my fingers would get caught in my hair and like I kind of felt like I was like pulling on my hair. I didn't like that at all. It was also drying too, so yeah. But with this gel, it was definitely not the case. Like my fingers just slip right through my hair, and I do want to think that it was because of the leave-in conditioner, the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle treatment that I applied prior. I'm not sure if it makes a difference. I would have to try it out without the leave-in conditioner, but it does apply slip. And one of the new methods that I started using is the praying method. It's join your hands together like you're praying and just like distributing the product into your hair. I find it most effective after you rake the product into your hair. So basically I would just start off by applying the product in a raking motion into my hair, and then mid-length of my hair I would use the praying method to basically distribute the product and also kind of clump my hair, kind of clump up my curls together so that way they're more defined. I'm sorry guys, I'm always dancing in my videos, like I'm always lit. It takes me entirely too long to do my hair, so why not have fun with it, right? Alright guys, so that concludes my application method. Next I'm going to show you guys my dry results, my nighttime routine, maintenance, and how I refresh my hair the next week. So it's the exact next day and my hair is dry for the most part and super defined and just so beautiful and curly and shiny. Right now I am just going to kind of retouch some of those frizzy curls that I have. Sometimes when my hair dries, like I have those sections where my hair is like kind of frizzy and not defined, so I just like to apply some gel and just redefine those essentially. Next up is my wash and go maintenance. And if you guys have been following me so far, then you know how much I love this spray oil. This is the African Royale Black Castor Oil infused with rosemary oil, and I absolutely love it. I love how convenient it is. Like, you don't have to apply anything on your hand and rub it into your hair. You can just simply spray the product onto your roots, onto the hair, whatever. I absolutely love it. And it's so moisturizing. It does kind of have a strong smell because of the rosemary oil, but still, like, I don't care. I love this stuff. I love it. And just to ensure that my hair is properly moisturized, I would spray this every other day throughout my wash and go, or throughout my wash and go. And when it's only at nighttime, because during the day I don't want to like have like oil streaks like on my clothes or whatever. So I just apply it onto my hair at nighttime, and then just put my hair into this big ass satin cap pet. And yeah, that's my nighttime routine. And last but not least, I have how I refresh my wash and go. And basically, I just use the same spray bottle that I had in the beginning of the video, which is the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Deep Treatment that I've used in a little bit of water. And I just spray that onto my hair, kind of mess with it a little bit, curl it, apply a little bit more of the gel onto the frizzy ends, or the curls that are not so defined as the others, and basically just kind of refresh and revamp my curls. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this pretty thorough demonstration on how I utilize the Eco Styler Gel Wave and Curl. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for the next one. Bye! And everyone have a great Thanksgiving. Make sure y'all save me a plate. Alright, bye.